Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Malka and today I am so excited to share with you some of our creation for our Hanukkah treats 2020. Not only are they delicious, they look stunning, they make for a great Hanukkah present, but they use simple ingredients that you can find in any grocery store. And if you like this kind of content, all about simplifying your Jewish life, please consider subscribing. We do upload new content every week. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be made aware of new videos on Hanukkah and other Jewish subjects. So let's jump into it. For our first Hanukkah treat, we are going to use some almond bark or candy melts. The most important thing is that your chocolate should have no cocoa butter in it. This will ensure that it will stay firm at room temperature. I do not have a microwave, so I left for you guys instructions. If you do have one, I will use a double boiler. I will simply put the coins inside the double boiler and melt them slowly. Then I'm going to take out the ingredients that we need to make this first treat, which is equivalent of Oreo cookies, some treat sticks, as well as melted chocolate. You are going to open your cookie and then dip the treat stick inside the melted chocolate, put it inside the cookie and then close it. This will act as a glue to make sure that your lollies are going to stay nice and firm together. Once that your Hanukkah cookie lolly is set, you will dip it inside the melted chocolate. The important thing is for you to submerge completely the Hanukkah cookie lolly inside the melted chocolate and then to take it out slowly. Once that you take it out, it is also very important for you not to tap the treat stick against the glass because that will most probably dislodge the cookie lolly from the stick itself. Insert it in a block of foam and then wait until the dripping is complete. It's time to decorate our Hanukkah lollies, and I'm going to make a DIY piping bag, but of course if you have a real one, please use it. I'm going to take a Ziploc bag, put it over a small container and pour some hot melted chocolate in it. If you want to color the chocolate, I will discuss that later on in the second Hanukkah treat. Once that you have filled your bag, you are going to close it, take out all the air, and cut out the smallest little tip to be able to decorate, because if you cut too large of a piece, you will end up with a big mess. So believe me, I've done it. Now it's time to let your creativity go loose. I'm going to simply take one lolly, use the piping bag that I have, always start on the outside edge and then sway rapidly back and forth. You can do diagonals, you can go and do shapes. I will show you now a few of the design that we've done with the lollies. Our second creation for our Hanukkah treats will be Hanukkah hot chocolate bombs. This is our children's favorite. You will need some melted candy melt or almond bark, as well as this mold that you can find on Amazon. And of course, I'm going to leave you the link in the description box below. You're going to fill them with about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of melted chocolate inside the mold, and you will spread the chocolate as evenly as you can, paying special attention to the edges of the mold because this is usually where it's going to break when it's not thick enough. You will swirl it, fill it, and then you will put it in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after that time, just add a bit of chocolate where you see that there are areas that are perhaps a bit thinner. Once that you have covered all these areas, put the mold back into the fridge for about 5 minutes, and then they're going to be ready to be unmolded. When you unmold the Hanukkah hot chocolate bombs, be careful to really pull them gently and push them from the bottom. Put your hot chocolate bomb on a hot plate and turn it. This way it will smooth out the edges. It's time to have fun and fill these Chanukah hot chocolate bombs with instant chocolate mix, instant cappuccino mix, marshmallows, whatever you want, and you're gonna see the next version how creative you can become. You're gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot cocoa mix. Then you're gonna add as little or as many marshmallows as you want. In the next version, I will add some vanilla pudding with the hot cocoa, as well as some Hanukkah gelt and some colorful marshmallows. And when it's gonna open up, it's gonna be so impressive. Once that your Chanukah hot chocolate bomb is filled, you are going to again melt the edges, and this way it's going to act as a glue. Simply close one hemisphere on the other, and for the excess, just take your finger and pass it around the edges. That will seal the hot chocolate bomb. Then decorate it the way that you want with sprinkles, decorating sugar, whatever you want. These are amazing as a gift for Hanukkah, and of course the children simply adore to see these bombs explode after pouring about 1 cup of hot milk on them. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell after subscribing, of course, to have more Jewish content all about simplifying yet leading a more meaningful life. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.